Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Continuing our topic under occupational skills and knowledge. So we will be dealing today with some of the few important tools, power tools, such as electrical or electric drill and carbon bits, right? So we know that electrical drills are most common type of portable power tools, right? That can be used by the gas technician, by the fitter, by the millwright, or everybody need that, right? Who work at the common electrical side or common construction site. So these most of the drills operate on 110 or 115 volts AC, and the other type of the power drill may be operating on 12 or 18 volt DC, and some of them are cordless. We know that. These are the simple things, so I will just review it with you. The type of the electrical drills may be of many types, right? So, like for example, standard utility drills. We all know we have it in our home as well, right? And then second is heavy duty electrical drills, which can go for 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch. 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch. So standard utility drill is 1/4 to 3/8, and heavy duty is 1/2 to 3/4. And then rotary hammer drill, which are used to drill into concrete. So these type, then there is an hammering action in the drill. We call that rotary hammer drill, right? And then the question which is usually asked in the in exam is about the bits. So electric drills are having drill bits, right? And the most common is carbon bits. Carbon bits used to drill in steel. Carbon bits are used to drill in steel. Carbide bits used to drill in concrete. So this is always in the exam, right? So carbon bit used to drill in steel. Carbide bits used to drill in concrete. Please remember, right? So these are the 2 points which I put it on the board. Then the third power tool or second power tool is electric saw. What we have, electric saw can be of different kinds, which is like I put it here, some of them: circular saw, chop saw, and reciprocating saw, right? So all these are like heavy duty circular saws are used to cut wood. Sometimes this comes in exam, right? Heavy duty circular saws are used to cut wood. Chop saws are used to cut steel. So chop saw are used to cut steel. Reciprocating saws are used like the power hacksaw, right? To cut wood, metal, or anything, right? Primarily for demolition. So we have reciprocating saw. So they may be cordless, they may be with the wire, right? So there are so many kinds of saw. So we have the electrical saw as a power tool. Then third one is power grinders, maybe stationary or portable, right? So I have two types of them: angle grinder or straight grinder. So they may be of two types, right? So power grinders are used to cut metal, or we can smooth out or polish the surfaces with the help of the power grinder, right? So they may be angle grinder or straight grinders. So two types, right? Then we have rotary demolition hammers, right? We use for demolition purposes, used for drilling a hole through a concrete, right? Used for drilling a hole through concrete, or chipping out a wall to make a larger hole. You will see these drill machines when you will be in construction site and you have to drill a hole. I can show you few of the pictures of these drills. So you can see here that these are the different types of the drill machine you will see, and you can see the heavy bits on them, right? So these are the hammer or rotary demolition hammers, right? So Then third one is we have powder actuated tools are used to insert fasteners into steel or concrete. So this might be an exam that powder actuated tools are used to insert fasteners into steel or concrete, both, right? And then one precaution is always said for these powder actuated tools, that never redrive a fastener. Never redrive a fastener. So this might be on exam. This is, I told you that MCQs, like fill in the blanks type of question. So you have to choose the right answer among 3 of the possible answers or 3 of the options you are given. Then the shot of the powder should always be kept dry. Should always be kept dry and a secure place. Dry and secure place. You can see some of the powder actuated fastening gun here in this picture, and these are the fastening pins which goes in to the steel or into the concrete. These are some of the shots or the charges, and this is powder gun, powder actuated gun. Then there must be some precautions associated with this operation of the power tools, and we have to take care of all those small or big safety precautions for electrical power tools. So electrical power tools must have a 3-pronged grounding plug to protect against shock. To protect against shock. Always disconnect an electrical power tools by pulling the plug at the outlet. By pulling the plug at the outlet. Don't plug it like by pulling the wire, right? So you have to go to the receptacle, that the outlet where the plug is in, and then you have to pull out the plug. So many small things which you already know, but I will revise it here. Do not stand on wet surfaces when operating an electrical power tool, right? This is obvious. Do not stand on wet surface. Do not touch water or metal piping while operating an electrical power tool. Do not overload or force the operation of an electrical power tool. Do not use long extension cords when operating an electrical power tool. Do not crimp the power cord. Do not operate the power tool in a corrosive or explosive atmosphere. Keep the vents and motor clean. So these are the few precautions, safety precautions for using an electrical power tool. So in this way, we have some idea that what we will be having on the job site when we are using power tools. It may be a electrical drill, it may be an electrical saw, it may be a power grinder, and you will learn a lot with the practice how to use these power tools, right? So hope you like the video. If you like it, subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon button to receive another educational and informative video. Thank you for watching.